Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the long tail cast on, so measure a generous tail, then make a slip knot and place it on the needle. Hold the needle in your right hand and spread the tail over your thumb and the working yarn over your index finger to form a slingshot. Once done, adjust tension by pinching both strands between middle and ring fingers. Make sure to keep the tail long enough. This saves ripping back later and sets a consistent base for the fabric. You form stitches by using the thumb loop as the tail and the index loop as the working yarn. Insert the needle into the V created between thumb and index, going under the thumb yarn first, then over the index yarn, and catch the index loop with the needle tip. Pull that loop through the thumb gap to create a new stitch on the needle. Once done, slide your thumb and index to reset the loops, and make sure to snug each stitch without pulling it too tight. You finish by casting the number of stitches your pattern calls for, counting frequently so you don't overshoot. Once done, gently tug the working yarn to even out tension across the cast-on edge and slide the needle with stitches to your left hand to begin knitting. Make sure to leave a small tail if you plan to seam later. If you notice a dropped or twisted stitch, stop, pick it up with a crochet hook or spare needle, then tighten carefully to restore uniform tension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.